Hello guys. Bikon as ejimo asem kanjuo bikon. I brought to you a very nice stuff. So stay tuned so that you listen very careful and grab something. Tell me what you learn on the comment section about this video, and also share this video. When you share, you helping. All right guys, let's watch the video now.
President Tinubu has done the needful but stalled by Southeast Nigerian politics. Good day everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Everyday People's Voice, your trusted source for breaking news in business and politics, headlines, and lots more. Our sources of information are reliable and accurate. That is why we are one step ahead of others. It is my pleasure to have you all here. But before I go on, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, please be so kind to subscribe, like, and share our video. Here we speak the truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you once again for staying tuned. Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, ipods, would have regained his freedom but for Imo state politics and the forthcoming governorship election in the state. That was our report today. Kanu, the leader of the separatist group, was on June 19th, 2021, abducted from Nairobi airport in Kenya and then detained and tortured for about 10 days in Kenya. Under former President Muhammadu Buhari's administration, Kanu was subsequently flown by private plane from Kenya to Nigeria later in June 2021. Since Kanu was brought to Nigeria to face trial for terrorism charges, he has been detained in solitary confinement at the headquarters of the Department of State Services, Nigerian Secret Police, in the capital city in Abuja. Mr. Kanu, a British citizen, has requested consular assistance from the British government, but the appeals failed. However, sources in the presidency told our correspondent on Friday that President Bola Tinubu would have ordered the release of Kanu, but he was advised against doing so at this time by some politicians close to him. Everyday People's Voice learned that Tinubu was advised to hold on till after Imo State governorship election scheduled for November 11, 2023, as Kanu's release before then could have political implications in the southeast region. The release of Nnamdi Kanu was stalled by the southwest politics of Imo. They claimed to Tinubu that his release might affect the election in Imo, so the president waited. One of the sources told our correspondents. On Sunday, another separatist leader, Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igbo, who was in Cotonou, Republic of Benin capital, said that he was now legally free to return to Nigeria after 2 years. Igbo, who has since left the Republic of Benin to see his family in Germany, disclosed that he was now free to return to Nigeria